primarily involves re-engaging customers through email using first-party data, such as following up abandoned shopping carts. Retargeting focuses on using paid advertising based on user interactions and ad performance data to bring back visitors to a site. Remarketing encompasses a broader range of techniques, including email, direct mail, and phone calls, whereas retargeting is mostly about online ads. User experience design, or UX design, focuses on creating positive experiences for users when interacting with digital products or services. User experience designers aim to enhance usability, accessibility, and overall satisfaction by optimizing the layout, navigation, and functionality of digital interfaces. For example, a mobile app incorporates user experience design principles to streamline the user journey, ensuring intuitive navigation, clear messaging, and seamless interactions, resulting in high user satisfaction and retention rates. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, involves managing interactions and relationships with customers throughout the customer lifecycle. CRM systems collect and analyze customer data to improve interactions, personalize communication, and drive customer retention and loyalty. For example, a retail store utilizes a CRM platform to track customer purchases, preferences, and feedback, allowing them to send targeted promotions and personalized offers based on individual shopping behaviors. Marketing automation involves using software to automate repetitive marketing tasks and workflows. Marketing automation tools streamline processes such as email marketing, lead nurturing, and social media scheduling, improving efficiency and scalability. For example, an online subscription service implements marketing automation to send personalized email campaigns to users based on their behavior, automatically triggering messages such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and subscription renewals. A/B testing. A/B testing compares two versions of a web page or marketing asset to determine which performs better. A/B testing, or split testing, compares the performance of two versions of content to determine which one appeals more to visitors. This method involves testing a control A version against a variation B version to measure success based on key metrics. It can be applied to websites for testing copy, images, designs, call to actions by splitting traffic to see which version leads to more conversions, and to email marketing, testing subject lines, images, and call to actions by dividing recipients to see which version has a higher open rate. A/B testing helps optimize customer experiences, and additionally, ABN testing extends this concept by testing more than two variations. For example, an e-commerce website conducts A/B testing on its product page, experimenting with different layouts, colors, and call to action buttons to determine which version drives more purchases. CTR, or click-through rate, measures the percentage of users who who click on a specific link or ad out of the total number of users who view it. CTR is a key metric used to evaluate the effectiveness of digital marketing campaigns and content, indicating the level of audience engagement and interest. For example, an email marketing campaign tracks CTR to assess the performance of different subject lines, analyzing which ones generate the highest open and click rates among subscribers. Cost per acquisition, or CPA, measures the cost of acquiring a new customer through marketing efforts. CPA calculates the average cost incurred to acquire a new customer, taking into account advertising spend, campaign expenses, and the number of conversions. For example, an online retailer calculates CPA by dividing the total marketing spent for a campaign by the number of new customers acquired during that period, providing insights into the efficiency and profitability of customer acquisition efforts. Churn rate measures the percentage of customers who stop using a product or service over a specific period. Churn rate is a critical metric for subscription-based businesses, indicating customer attrition and the need to focus on retention strategies. For example, a software as a service, SaaS company tracks churn rate to assess customer loyalty and satisfaction, identifying factors that contribute to customer churn and implementing measures to reduce it. Heat map analysis visualizes user interactions on a web page, highlighting areas of high and low engagement. Heat maps use color-coded overlays to represent where users click, scroll, or move their cursors on a web page. This visual representation helps in understanding user behavior and preferences, allowing marketers and designers to identify which areas of a web page attract the most attention and interaction. By analyzing these patterns, businesses can optimize the layout and design elements to enhance user experience and drive desired actions. For example, an e-commerce website uses heat map analysis to identify popular product categories and optimize page layouts for better conversion rates, adjusting placement and design elements based on user engagement patterns. Brand awareness measures the extent to which consumers recognize and recall a brand. Brand awareness is critical for establishing a brand's credibility, trust, and preference among target audiences. It influences consumers' purchase decisions and fosters long-term loyalty. A higher brand awareness means consumers are more likely to choose the brand over competitors, making it an essential component of marketing strategies. Effective brand awareness campaigns can include various tactics such as advertising, sponsorships, and public relations to increase visibility and recognition. For example, a new startup invests in brand awareness campaigns through social media advertising, influencing partnerships, and content marketing to increase visibility and recognition in the market, ultimately driving brand recall and customer engagement. Multi-channel marketing. Multi-channel marketing involves reaching customers through multiple channels and touchpoints. Multi-channel marketing integrates various platforms and communication channels such as email, social media, search engines, and offline methods to engage customers throughout their buying journey. This approach ensures that marketing messages are delivered consistently and effectively across different touchpoints, enhancing customer experience and increasing the likelihood of conversions. By leveraging multiple channels, businesses can reach a broader audience and provide a seamless experience. For example, an omni-channel retailer implements a multi-channel marketing strategies, seamlessly connecting online and offline experiences to provide customers with consistent messaging and personalized interactions across multiple touchpoints, enhancing overall brand engagement and customer satisfaction. Market positioning involves defining how a brand distinguishes itself from competitors and occupies a distinct place in the minds of consumers. Market positioning is the strategic process of establishing a brand's identity and value proposition in the minds of target consumers relative to competitors. This involves identifying unique selling points, USPs, and differentiators that set the brand apart. Effective market positioning can influence consumer perceptions and drive brand preference, helping the businesses to achieve competitive advantage and market share. A technology company positions itself as a leader in innovation and cutting-edge solutions, differentiating itself from competitors by emphasizing its unique value proposition. Target audience segmentation. Target audience segmentation involves dividing a broader market into distinct groups based on demographic, psychographic, or behavioral characteristics. Target audience segmentation is a marketing strategy that divides a broad audience into smaller, more manageable groups based on specific criteria such as age, gender, income, interests, and behaviors. This allows businesses to tailor their marketing efforts and message to meet the unique needs and preferences of each segment, resulting in more effective and personalized marketing campaigns. By understanding different segments, companies can allocate resources more efficiently and increase engagement and conversion rates. For example, a fashion retailer segments its target audience into different groups based on factors such as age, gender, lifestyle, and purchasing behavior to tailor marketing messages and offers to specific customer segments. Value proposition development focuses on articulating the unique value that a product or service offers to customers and why they should choose it over alternatives. Value proposition development is the process of defining the unique benefits and value that a product or service provides to customers. It highlights what makes the offering distinct and why it's better than competitors' alternatives. A compelling value proposition addresses customer pain points, emphasizing key benefits, and conveys the core values of the brand. This helps attract and retain customers by clearly communicating the reasons to choose the product or service. For example, a food delivery service develops a value proposition centered around convenience, offering fast and reliable delivery, a wide selection of restaurants, and seamless ordering options to customers. Channel selection and optimization.